Dr. Miller's great. I've actually been one of his patients as well. He focuses on everything about his patients. He wants to make them comfortable, so he puts all his focus on them. He's really laid back, he's lots of fun, and he's great to the patients, he's great to his employees. I had an abscess tooth. I'd had a root canal done probably about 10 years ago and it failed. So he went ahead and took that out and we're going to start an implant. When Dr. Miller did my treatment, the numbing, I could not feel it at all. There was no pain. He asked me several times just to make sure I wasn't in any pain. And I mean, it was excellent. It was probably the easiest dental experience I've ever had. I always tell everyone that Dr. Miller is the best. He is very educated. He loves what he does. And I think when you find someone that's passionate about what they do, it's always a better experience.